is all about overhand grip technique. In this video we will see what are the things we need, how to use overhand grip technique, how to hold a pencil, and we see 8 different exercises to get control in the pencil and what are its benefits. First of all, we will see things we need for this. You need long lead pencils like this. I have already shared how to sharpen these types of pencil in my last video. You can check it on my channel, and also I'm putting the link in the description box so that you can go through this video. You need to sharpen your pencils like this. It should be long lead sharp pencils. Then you need a paper. I'm using a newsprint paper. You can use any big paper to work on, and you have to stick your paper on the vertical space. Okay, I have stick my paper in this. I have this stand, like I have this tripod stand. I have stick it over here, so you can stick it on the wall also if you don't have this type of stand. Now we will see how to hold the pencil. Okay, usually when we do writing, we hold the pencil like this and we do the writing, but in overhand grip technique you have to use your 4 fingers and thumb. Okay, so you have to hold your pencil with the 4 fingers like this and with the thumb, and with your index finger you are going to give the angle and tilt your pencil. So this is the way, like how you are going to hold your pencil. Now it will depend what you are drawing, how you are drawing, so you can change the angle. Like if you want to do it like this, you want to do it like this, you want to do it like this, so you can change the angle, but holding is this. You have to use your 4 fingers, your index finger and the thumb like this. Okay, like this you are going to hold the pencil. Now we will see how to use it. Okay, so when we are writing with the tripod grip, this is known as a tripod grip. When we do the writing, we usually hold or put our hand on the wrist on the paper. Okay, but while working with the overhand grip, you don't have to put your wrist on the paper, so don't depend on your wrist. While working with the overhand grip, you have to remove your arm and you have to remove your shoulder. Okay, so like this, if you are planning to make a circle, so you have to move your whole hand like this. This type of grip of this type of pencil also allows you to use the tip of the pencil as well as the side of the pencil. Okay, so like this, when we are going to do the shading or some marking, you can use the tip or you can use the sides like this. This is also helpful in creating the variety in your lines. You can see the thickness and the thin part of the line. Now we will see different exercise to get control in our hand and in the pencil. So first exercise is draw basic shapes, like draw geometric shapes. Like you can draw a square, rectangle, okay, you can draw a triangle, and a circle. For circle you have to move your wrist and make the circle. So like this is the exercise 1. You have to practice basic shapes. Now the exercise 2 is you have to draw lines in different angles. Okay, so you have to draw lines like this, like this. You will see like this. Draw some lines horizontally, draw some lines vertically. Okay, this done. Let's make at this angle. Let's make at this angle. So like this you have to draw so many lines and draw in different angles. This is the exercise 2. Now third exercise is draw simple objects, like draw some flower. Let's say make a circle, draw petals around it. Okay, like this, draw clouds. So whatever comes in your mind, just draw it. Let's draw some leaves. Now the exercise 4 is, this is the first exercise, this is the second exercise, this is the third. Fourth exercise is, you have to make small square like this. Make small square and with the side of the pencil, fill inside it. Okay, like this. So you will learn about the shading as well. Let's make one more. You can make small square or rectangle and use the side of the pencil, tip of the pencil, to fill inside it. Like this. So this is the exercise 4. Now we will see the fifth exercise. Fifth exercise is, you have to practice shading. Like from light to dark or dark to light. So like this, I'm going from dark, I'm putting some pressure, and while moving I'm releasing some pressure, putting light pressure. And let's say we will go from light to dark. So starting with a light pressure, slowly I will put some pressure and make it dark. So you have to practice it, like from dark to light, from light to dark. This is the exercise number 5. Now the sixth exercise is, you have to practice how to get variety in your lines. For that lines, you have to make thick and thin lines like this. Make curves and try to get thick and thin lines like this. You can see it's thick from here, thin from here. So this is exercise number 6. Thick, thin, thick. Like this you have to practice how to get variety in your lines, the thick and thin line. And the 7th exercise is, you have to practice the curves. You have to practice S curve like this. Keep on making S curves. Move your hand, like you can see I'm holding it like this. You can make some C curves like this. This is the exercise number 7. You have to practice C curves and S curves, and you can practice some waves also. Like this you can create some waves. So this is exercise number 7. Now the 8th exercise is, you have to make 2 dots, 1, 2, a bit far away from each other, and join them with a curve like this. Try to make thick curve at the top, like I'm using the side of the tip, and thin curve at the bottom. So I'm using the tip of the pencil. So like this you have to do. This is the last exercise. Practice these all exercises regularly, at least for 10 days. You will definitely get grip in your, like you will definitely get used to of overhand grip, and you will definitely get the control in your pencil. Okay, now the last you will see what are its benefits. We gain control and flexibility of wrist, because you are not depending on the wrist while drawing. Second benefit is it is easy to draw the large drawing. You can easily draw on the large canvas. Third is, it helps you to get control in your lines, and you will achieve variety in your lines. As I told you, thick and thin lines, you will get variety in your lines. And also it is helpful when we are doing the proportion judgment. You can use the tip of the pencil like this for the proportion judgment. So this is all about the overhand grip technique. Really like my video, share it with your friends who need to learn this thing and must support me. Do like, do share, and do comment, and subscribe also. Don't forget to do that.